Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting demo and it's how to add a table to your Squarespace website. Unfortunately, Squarespace doesn't have a button where you can just create a table, but don't you worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to htmltables.io. I will have the link to this blog post that shows you how to do it in the caption. But from here, you can basically customize your table however you'd like. You can choose the background color, the text color, for the header, the border, the rows, the cells. I'm going to leave it as is for this demo, but you can go completely customizable over here. And then the most important thing is you want to click on copy, and then you're going to go to the Squarespace website that you want to add the table, and you're going to go to add block, and then you're going to go to code and then click on the pencil. And from here, we're going to paste the code. And I want to show you something because it has this made with HTML tables. We can delete this last line of code to delete that. Then we have our table and we can extend it a bit so it looks a little bit better how we designed it on the website. And then I can move it over. Obviously it needs a little bit of tweaking because I just created it on the website with however it was, but it can be a lot better. Okay, and then you can use Spark plugin to kind of customize your table. So let's say you wanted it so your table is only shown on desktop, so we'll do hide on mobile. So then when we go on mobile and we scroll through the site, as you can see, there is no table. It would be right here. You can replace it with something else and then hide it on desktop so it shows that certain thing on mobile, and on desktop it shows the table. The other thing you could do is a reveal on hover. Once it's hovered over, it reveals itself. You can animate it on hover if you wanted to do that. And you can obviously add loop animations, and you can do an animate on scroll. So whenever it scrolls in, it would animate. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily add a table to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.